Complete the first part.
Loud.
Complete the first part of the table. Choose the text that best describes the story's background.
Okay. I'm not done yet. I thought it's done already.
John
John
and his cousin
Scotty Tube.
Scott and Tube are spending the night in a museum. It's John's first time at the museum. John is excited to be at the museum with his scouting troop. He wants to learn more about dinosaurs. John and Adam read all about dinosaurs
Right, okay, the past tense. Right, all about the dinosaurs.
In the museum, they learned about plant eaters.
Okay, which one is backward? Okay,
this one.
Yeah.
Summit.
Yeah.
Complete the sound part. Second part of the table. Choose the text that best describes the main problem and the story.
Okay.
Problem.
John
would rather spend the night at his favorite art museum. Shana is disappointed by how small and crowded the museum is. Shana is worried about spending the night in an unfamiliar place.
Yeah, which one?
John. John is worried about spending the night in an unfamiliar place.
Okay.
This one.
Yeah.
Summit.
Yeah.
Is John complete the last part of the table. Choose the text that best describes the solution to the story's main problem. Solution. Shana and Adam learn more about what's in the museum, and Shana becomes more uncomfortable. Shana and Adam ask to sleep and a different part of the museum. What that doesn't have dinosaurs. Chana and Adam leave the dinosaur room to go to dinner with the rest of the group.
Okay, so which one?
Ja and Adam learned more about what's in Ja and Adam learn more about what's in the museum. Then Jana becomes more uncomfortable. Comfortable.
Okay.
This one.
Okay.
Summit.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you just did it.
Review the table of story elements.
Okay.
Background.
Journal.
John and his scouting troops. Scouting troop are spending the night in a museum. It's John's first time at the museum.
Okay.
Problem. John is worried about spending the night in an unfamiliar place. Solution. John and Adam learn more about what's in the museum, and Shauna becomes more comfortable. Using the information from the table complete a summary.
Good.
Summary of the story.
Good. Okay.
Sleeping over at a natural history museum in the city. Nervous about sleeping in a strange building. Learn more about the friendly place. Plant eating dinosaurs. Feel better about sleeping in the museum. Anna and his scouting troop will be.
Yeah, which one? Okay, drag it. Yeah, drag it.
This one.
Okay. Let's read it.
Sleeping over at a natural history museum in the city. This is Shauna's first time at the museum. He is.
Yeah,
this one.
Okay.
He's nervous.
Okay.
About sleeping in a strange building. However, and he and his friend Adam.
Yeah, what is that?
Is Adam and his dinosaur are sleeping.
Okay.
Learn more about the friendly plant eating dinosaurs. In the room where they will be sleeping. This makes China.
Yeah.
This makes Summit.
Okay, let's read it. Okay.
you better about sleeping in the museum. In the end, he is ready to have fun.
Okay.
It's ready to have fun.
Okay.
And
okay, that's another one. Okay, let's read another one.
Buttercup,
Okay. Neil Armstrong, please put this. Oh no. I don't know what it is. It's a flower or something else.
Buttercup in the cold foggy forest.
Now, let's read it. Okay.
The following pronunciation is brought to
Nathan.
Nathan. Okay, Nathan. Good, Nathan. I thought of something else. Nathan.
Hiked ahead of his older sister.
Let's just find that now.
pronouncenames.com.
Willa.
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 Willa. Okay. Willa. Nathan and Willa. Okay. In the cold, foggy forest, Nathan hiked ahead of his older sister, Willa.
Do we have the correct pronunciation of your name?
Willa. Willa. Willa.
Okay, Willa. Nathan and Willa. Okay.
He was sure that Willa knew these. My sister, my mysterious was better than he did. She had been exploring for them for many years before Nathan was older enough to join her. Still, he wanted to show her that the world he could find his way on his own, all at one. No one
All at
once.
go all at once. Okay. All at once.